baby. Baby.
Apocalypse is coming. I didn't even press record yet. Why does my forehead always look huge in some lights?
Can we buy a microwave? Because I'm tired of not cooking macaroni and
So
cheese.
apparently, like Grace said, there's a snow apocalypse coming. And
Up to 8 inches of snow tomorrow.
hopefully after I get done working.
Nope.
But we are gonna go
Smart
get
makeup.
food. Huh?
Smug makeup.
I just put my makeup on. We're gonna go buy food, and Grace is currently going through coupons because we never use coupons, but apparently today we are, so. There's that.
We have a tight budget dish.
Yeah, I got tuition.
Look, you can order some steaks.
Ooh, I want salmon. But also I work all day tomorrow, so I need to find foods that aren't gonna like make me gain 10 pounds. Because I tend to eat the whole time. Oh my gosh. Every time Grace sees something our dog does that's remotely cute, like the attention goes straight to it. Okay, let's go to the store. Look how horrible Grace parked. I don't really know what she was thinking.
That's called, Maddie took up 8/5 of the driveway.
8/5?
Yeah. I mean, the whole driveway.
8/5.
Yes.
All 8/5 of it.
Yes.
You know 8/5 is not a fraction.
Okay, you took up.
How about 3/4?
Yes. Let's show your parking job.
Oh, it's
So
beautiful.
people can see how I can get next to you.
There's my car, and here's Grace's car.
No, show them the middle of the driveway and how far over.
Look, I have nice and a lot of room, so I can walk to my car comfortably.
Yep. And then let's show. Come on over here.
No?
Where here's the line right here. And there is absolutely no way Grace's car fit through there.
Shut up, get in the car. I turn music off.
Oh, why won't it focus on
It's a
you?
very loud click.
Because Mary is so blurry. Hey Blob.
What did you do to my camera?
Hey Blob.
No!
Let's fix-
No, tap my face.
Yo, there you
Gosh.
go. Maddie was a blob. And now she's a human. Oh, whoa, I'm large. I am rather large.
Honey,
Thank you.
You're beautiful.
No. Okay, so we're
Can I
to the
tell a live story today?
No, we're going to the Chiefs game. We're on our way to the Chiefs game. Go Chiefs. You see me wearing my blue to support the Chiefs?
Oh my god, did you see in the news they're trying to move the Royal Stadium downtown? That'd be a horrible idea.
It was like a story from like 6 months ago.
Oh, did you see it?
No.
So I saw the Mahomes bobblehead today at the plaza. There were like 100 freaking people waiting in line for it.
And I saw children crying today. Because I poked them with love.
This is why Grace doesn't lead vlogs, you guys. 100 freaking %. Okay.
Okay, so new cut, new story. Take 2. All right, so you got to be appropriate.
She
Stop.
doesn't even ask where I get this from.
Stop sucking on a straw.
I'm drinking
That's not
pop.
appropriate.
I have a really sore throat.
Because she has strep throat.
I don't have strep throat.
She has strep.
She thinks because I puked, I have strep.
That's the sign of strep.
Well,
And a headache. And you said you have a headache too. Okay, so anyways, we are on our
when
way.
did you get your doctorate degree? Was it hard?
We're on our way to the grocery store right now.
In case you didn't know, we've only told you 4 times.
Because tomorrow is supposed to snow up to 8 inches
Which I'm really
or
hoping
more
it doesn't, because I have to
of
work.
snow. It's supposed to sleet
I have to make tuition
tomorrow
money.
evening up until tomorrow morning. Or it's all tomorrow. It's supposed to snow.
I just
So-
wanted to sleep.
Oh, and there's a crap. Look, there's people parking back here.
Yeah, I know. Everyone's like freaking out. over
Everybody's
nothing.
thinking it's going to be another snow apocalypse. I can't even
Can't
talk
say
today.
it.
So I was smart and I went out and got bread the other day, so I don't even need that. And that's it. Did you just turn your car back on?
I don't know what happened.
You
Alright,
tried to
let's go.
turn your car on when it was already on.
I know. Let's go.
Okay, so
We'll see you in the store.
Hold on.
Grace, you're done killing time.
we're at Hy-Vee. Hy-Vee Food Pharmacy.
I let her vlog.
My vlog is great, thank you. And Maddie, what are you buying with your allowance?
You're not paying for shit. It's my money.
You have $5.
My allowance. I'm gonna buy salmon and broccoli. I want to make that broccoli.
Are you gonna
you made the
cook
other
it,
night.
or is
Yeah.
it gonna sit in the fridge?
I want to make the broccoli you made the other night. I really don't
Okay.
know what was on it, but it was. I like burned broccoli. Burned broccoli with salt on it tastes like chips and is really good.
Crispy broccoli, not burned broccoli.
No, I like it. I like the black ones. I like the brown, black, crispy. All right, we're gonna go get some food.
Okay, love you.
So she's talking about how I have an allowance. Well, she just forgot her wallet, so guess who has an allowance now? It's her.
$5 Grace.
Yeah, just $5 because Maddie got tuition.
I will send you whatever I spent.
Okay. Because I don't want to have to go
I'll
into
cash app
stripping for school tuition.
Cash crap you.
Oh my god. I can't get it. Help. Ooh, look at them muscles. Apple time. I don't like. You know what's really annoying is that you pay $5 for fruit here and it's like 99 cents in Florida.
Sorry, we don't
Right
live
over.
in Florida.
I'm really struggling with this hair situation.
I'm gonna get a steak dinner.
Yeah, I kind of want a steak there. They have steaks here for $10.
$10.
Why is the lighting in these places like always better than like a professional studio? Okay, help me find that broccoli. I need broccoli because she had broccoli. It was so good. Was it those?
The regular broccoli. No.
Will you marry me? Why not this one? It's,
That one has weird light green in the middle. Get this one.
okay, grab
You
it.
get more.
We're making broccoli.
I need a bag.
Broccoli chips is what I call them. Thank you. How does the snow apocalypse make you feel?
Very broccolicious.
You're an idiot. So what's one thing I do every time we come to Hy-Vee?
Poop.
Cookie time. They give free cookies out here. You get one, but they're so good.
Pretzel bites.
With ranch. Oh my god. Oh look, they have little pretzel bites over here. Time to sneak away and get some cookies.
Alright. So, we got the steak. Perfect.
And macaroni.
It's in the macaroni cooker because apparently we don't know where our bowls are right this minute.
I love steak. I could literally eat steak for every meal.
Apocalypse steak cooking.
Hey, how about we not hold the camera right over the flame like this?
Okay.
You got a little generously close to it. And next thing you know, our camera's gonna be melted.
Getting the sizzle.
I was gonna say, you're gonna film the steak the whole time?
Alright, so we got our utensil drawer with the dryer sheet. When I first met Maddie, what was in your kitchen cabinet?
Okay, look. When she first met me, I was a depressed person,
So
fresh
just
out
gone
of a
through a breakup.
relationship, like fresh out of it, out of a long-term relationship, living on my own for the first time ever. I did not cook. The kitchen was like a dresser.
No, she didn't own like any pots, pans, nothing. No cooking utensils. I don't even think you own any plates.
I didn't.
Bowls, cups,
Well, you gotta
nothing.
understand, like, if you're fresh out of a relationship and you're depressed.
But I don't know how you ate or drank anything.
I didn't. Remember how skinny I was when you met me?
Okay, so we got lots of snow groceries. Because it's not supposed to technically... Oh my gosh.
I gotta cut the steak.
So technically it's not supposed to like get horrible until about Saturday
Good.
mid-morning. But it's supposed to sleep tomorrow and rain.
Homie got 4-wheel drive.
But I don't. So I have to get home from work tomorrow. So hopefully it starts in the evening and then I can get home from work. Once I get home from work, I can just chillax and not have to worry about running to go get groceries.
All right, well that's it. I don't know where Grace is. And that's really bright. Anyway, like, subscribe. We'll see you after the snowstorm.
Sit. There's Scotty.
We'll go.
Alright, our two OGs. This is Scouty and this is Scooby. And we're waving goodbye.
I can't deal with you. Did he just cry?
No.
Sound like a squeaky toy.
Scotty, look at the camera. Tell him to watch me.
Alright, watch, like, subscribe. That's
Bye,
it.
we love you. Fly away.
30 seconds of Grace being weird as fuck.
An angel.
Scooby's looking like, what the hell? Hey, wanna watch our show?
Donate to the SPCA, please.
So, our new favorite show.
Oh my God! Stop.
Our new
I
favorite
want you to
show.
sit with the.
Our new favorite show is The Circle on Netflix. And I told Grace I cheated on her today.
The circle.
Oh,
The circle.
The Circle. Because it's really good. Oh, I thought you were gonna hit me.
It was Scout. He wants you to pet him.
Scout, I'm not petting you. You eat our bread.
Yeah, my dog likes to eat our bread.
Are we good? Is this not where? Oh my God, I thought you were gonna bite me.
No.
Why do I look so pale? Like I could blend in with the wall.
Can we take a picture now?
No, Grace, no.
Why? I want to take a picture of all four of us. Stop filming up my nose. See?
I'll just film that forehead.
Scooby me.
When you are under